If you're in sales, you already know discovery calls can make or break your deal. But what if I told you that you could have your own AI coach sitting right next to you, breaking down your calls using MEDDIC, spotting gaps in your qualification, and even helping you prep for your next conversation all in seconds? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own custom GPT that acts like your personal sales coach. You'll feed it your call transcripts, you will analyze them using MEDDIC, and give you actionable feedback. And the best part is, you don't need to be technical to do this. Traditionally, after a discovery call, reps will write up notes, maybe fill in a MEDDIC template, and then wait for their manager to review and give them feedback, if that ever happens. The problems are it's time consuming, so writing up everything from scratch takes ages. It causes memory gaps, so you miss details or you forget exactly how the customer said something. And it offers limited coaching, so you might only get feedback once a week or once a month, and by then the moment's gone. This is where AI comes in. You can get feedback instantly while it's still fresh and actually act on it before your next call. With a custom GPT, you can upload your transcripts straight from Gong, Zoom, or even your meeting notes. You can get instant MEDDIC scoring, so AI will break it down across the whole MEDDIC framework, and you can spot opportunities for improvement. So maybe you didn't confirm the decision process, or your pain questions were too surface level. You can also save admin time, so it can also summarize the call, extract next steps, and update your CRM notes for you. And lastly, it can help you self-coach, so you're not waiting for your manager, you're leveling up on your own. So first things first is open up ChatGPT and then go to Explore GPTs. Once you are at Explore GPTs, you click on Create, and then it will pop up with your GPT that you can name. So I'm going to name my GPT Discovery Coach MEDDIC Edition. You can also add a short description, so you can fill in anything you want here. Now, in your instructions, this is the important part. You need to tell it you are a sales coaching assistant for SaaS account executives. After each call transcript, analyze the conversation using the MEDDIC framework. Score each component from 1 to 10 and provide examples from the transcript. Suggest 3 improvement areas and 3 strengths. But that's it. The instruction part is very important, and you need to make sure you get this done properly. Once you're happy with everything, you just need to hit create on the top right, check over the sharing settings, choose your sharing settings, and then hit save. Also, a bonus tip as well is you could also ask ChatGPT to help you write the instructions. It will give you all the correct prompts, and then you can just copy and paste it in there to make sure you don't miss out on any key bits of information. And that's it. You now have your own AI sales coach that works 24/7, never gets tired, and helps you close gaps in your discovery calls instantly. The reps that learn how to use tools like this are going to crush their quotas, and the ones that don't, well, you know the rest. I've got a bunch more videos coming on using AI to level up every part of your sales cycle, from prospecting to closing, so hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's keep stacking those wins. Drop a comment if you want me to share my exact custom GPT prompt so you can plug it straight into your account. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a good day.